So, what inspired me? Again, I wanted to learn more, and I learned a heck of a lot more than I thought I would. I want to keep on learning, and I think the Master Gardener could be good for anybody to inspire them to keep these green spaces that we have, and how to nurture them, make sure that we can keep the wildlife that we have here. We only have one planet, right? And we're kind of running out of space. So we have to share it and share it wisely. And I think the Master Gardener program itself is a wonderful place to start for anybody, whether you have a lot of time or not a lot of time. I think it's just something that you can use to kind of learn, enrich yourself, and enrich others.